What we're doing today is a first of its kind. We are creating an all-native pollinator pathway right here through Boston. This building right here has decided to buck the trend of pansies, petunias, and mums, and they are doing an all-native planting all down this side of the block on Newbury Street and all down the other side of the block on Boylston Street. We have our evergreen shrubs, of course, but we have goldenrod, we have mountain mint, we have geranium, we have bee balm, all the blooms that the pollinators are going to need, and we are going to have nice full beds of natives to change the paradigm. This all began 2 years ago, where the general manager of the building actually saw me speak. He contacted me and said, I would like to do an all-native pollinator pathway at my building. So they were changing annuals out regularly throughout the months. They were watering every single day. This investment right here will pay for itself in 2.5 years, and that doesn't include the money that they are going to be saving in watering, because they are not going to have to water every day. So we have our low maintenance, high impact native gardens that have an ROI rather than your petunia garden that you would have all summer. And you have the opportunity to look different from everybody else on the sidewalk. I am hoping, because these guys dared to be the first, that more and more buildings on this street are going to see this and want to jump on board as well. And again, we go back to small steps, big impact. These planters are about 8 by 8, which isn't a very big planter, but when you add up all 12 of them, it has a big impact here in Boston.